Hello everyone. The topic we covered today, breast self-examination, also known as BSE. BSE is one of the most important assessment for every woman that help us to unusual changes of the breast and also early detection of the breast cancer. So here we have to do the breast self-examination for every month at the end of the menses. So here we can see that what are the steps of the breast self-examination. Total 5 steps are there. First 3 steps we are doing for the inspection and last 2 steps for the palpation. So here we can see the in detail what are the 5 steps. The step 1, you have to stand in front of the mirror and inspect the both breast, any unusual changes are there. So here we can maintain the 3 posture. The first one, we can keep the arms at side and look at the mirror, any unusual changes. And second, we have to raise the arms and also we can inspect any abnormalities there in your breast. And third steps, we have to press the hand on the hip and you have to inspect the any abnormalities or unusual changes. The abnormality or unusual changes, that means what we have to assess in these 3 posture, that are any discharge from the nipple or dimpling or puckering, any scaling of skin. These all the things, and also we can see any color changes of the breast. This all the assessment we can done in this 3 posture. So second step, the next step is the second. In second step, we have to stand in front of the mirror and clasp your hand behind the head and just hand to forwarded and inspect the both breast, any unusual changes, also the contouring of the breast. And the third steps we have to do, stand in front of the mirror and press the hand on hip, just bow slightly towards the mirror and just pull the elbow and shoulder and inspect the both breast, any contour changes, any abnormality if you are noticing in the both breast. These 3 steps are we are doing under the inspection, and we have to use with the help of mirror. If any abnormality changes, any color changes, any contour changes, any nipple discharges is there, should consult with the doctor. So last 2 steps are the palpations. So here we have to do the palpation. That means in the 4th steps we can do that here we can stand in front of the mirror, otherwise we have to these 2 both steps we can do while the bathing also. That means for the first assessment on the left side of the breast, you should raise the left hand and use the 3 or 4 fingers of the right hand and just circular motion we have to palpate the breast, especially pay the attention between the area underarm and breast. So while we are palpating, if any kind of mass or lumps node if you are feeling, should notice the if you are feeling the under the skin, if you notice to and consult with the doctor. And the same steps we have to repeat on the right side also. If you are going to right side breast self examination, we should raise the right hand and use the left hand fingers and circularly we have to palpate. If any kind of the unusual masses means we have notice it and consult with the doctor. It helps us to early detection of the cancers or any other abnormalities. And the last step, that is the 5th steps of the breast self examination. So here we have to do the all the 4th steps what we are done, the same procedure we can do in the 5th step also, but here we have to on the lying position, on that means on the supine position, lie with your back. And for the left side breast self examination, you have to keep your hand behind the head, the left hand keep on the behind the head and one pillow or folded towel under the left shoulder and use the right fingers, right hand fingers to palpate it. So palpation means you can circular motion we have to palpate. Any kind of the abnormalities or mass present under the skin should consult with the doctor. and the same procedure repeated on the right side also. In the right side also, here we have to keep the right side hand under the head and keep one pillow or towel, folded towel under the right shoulder, and keep the left hand fingers, and you can use the palpation, that is circular movement we can do it. That when we are going to do the palpation, that is clearly we have to palpatable, that means pay the attention between the area underarm and breast. So, here we have to any kind of the assessment, while we are doing the assessment, any kind of the abnormalities or lump nodes or any mass presentation if you are noticed, means you should go to the doctor and consult with that. It will help us to early detection of the any kind of the diseases or breast cancer. So, these are the 5 steps of the breast self examination. So, breast self examination how to do for the every month, and it help us to early detection of the diseases. So, this all for the today classes. This is Nisha signing off till we meet the next video. Bye bye.